Hello everyone and welcome to listening to In the Family Kitchen. Tonight we're doing a theme, the board game CATAN. We're going to do the recipe from the official CATAN Cookbook, Chicken Under a Brick. So starting out, we want to preheat the oven to 425. So we need rosemary, 1 lime, quartered, a brick wrapped in tinfoil, salt, pepper, chicken thighs, and olive oil. Oh yeah, and also garlic cloves that are skin off. Starting out, we are going to warm up our pan and add oil. So next, we add a generous amount of oil to coat the pan. That's enough, I think. We're using a cast iron pan. So now, while our pan is coated in a generous amount of avocado oil, we are going to season our chicken with salt and pepper. So now we're going to flip our pieces of chicken. Probably done bottom first. Now I'm also going to season this side. Put as much salt or pepper as you want. So if you'd like an insane amount of salt, that's okay. Now we're going to check. This operation, we're going to use the long ones. So now we're going to grab, oh yeah, by the way, skin side down. Safety first. Do not touch that pan, or at least you can touch the handle. Next up, we're going to throw in our garlic, lemon, and yes, you do throw in the lemon liver. Next, we're going to add our rosemary. Now, take the brick. Yeah. Now you're going to add your chicken to the oven, set at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And let it in there for about 10-12 minutes. That's it. We have right here the official CATAN Cookbook. This is full of different recipes, of which include items from the actual CATAN board game. And I do actually recommend playing CATAN because it's super fun. And also it's nice to dominate your family. So now we're going to try it. And it's good. That is good. Yeah, y'all need to try this. Please like and subscribe. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day. Safety first. That's all for today. I'm listening to Family Kitchen. Goodbye. And it still fits. Anyway, so we're gonna plate this, go outside, play some CATAN, and eat this. Yeah.